Hi, this is Gary, and today's pizza day, so I'm ordering a pizza from Domino's to have it delivered here to my place where I live. And so there's the pizza tracker, and I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna go to the reception room, and then I'll to wait for the driver. It's a $27 pizza. Pretty expensive, isn't it? So let me see. The pizza tracker is showing they're starting to make the order, and so I'll just wait here for a while until they get finished, and then give it to the delivery guy. Okay, here, this is my messy bedroom. I got all kinds of junk laying around. But okay, I'll cut this off and then I'll start it again when I get the pizza. Here's my pizza man. Yeah, I just came into the reception to get my pizza. He just got here real quick, so I gotta pay him.
Have you got cash?
Yeah, I have cash. Okay, what? 20?
It's $27.39.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Here's 25.
Can you hold one of these? Thanks. Slipping out of my hand.
Here's, I'll get some change for you. It's 25. And you, just a minute. Okay, which is this? Let's see. Here, pull out of here what you need to finish to complete.
Oh, you gave me 25, eh?
Yeah, 25, 26, 27.
$27.40.
You got it?
Yeah. Here's your receipt.
All right, thank you. I'm making a YouTube video. That's what this camera's all about.
Oh, yeah.
And there's my pizza.
Have a good day, sir.
Okay, buddy, thank you. Well, here I am in my room with my Domino's pizza. It's got garlic bread crust, but look at that pizza. Wow. It's pretty big. I didn't think it would be that big. It's over $27, $27.40. And then I put chili flakes. We call them chili flakes here in New Zealand. Chili flakes. I'm using my new Canon camera that I bought at Noel Lemming. And then here's some beer. This is black beer. It's called Monteith. And it's the only one I like. Monteith black beer. It's real good. So I'll have a couple of these with it. But anyway, I like to do this once in a while. It's really a real treat to me. So anyway, Pizza Hut doesn't deliver anymore, and they're not in business anymore. That's the thing about New Zealand. There's too many businesses go out of business. But unfortunately. So I'll go ahead and start eating this, and I'll make this video available to you pretty soon. Here, let me get a picture of myself. Sitting. And okay, that'll be it.